All right, hello everyone. So today, you maybe seen the title. We're going to do something very interesting. We're going to build Golang, this bad boy here, to Wasm using TinyGo. So if you don't know, and I didn't, TinyGo is a Go builder, a Go compiler actually, sorry, for small places, and apparently web browsers are considered small places. Because with this thing, you can compile Go to freaking Arduino. I find this kind of interesting, actually. Kind of very much interesting, anyway. Because, like, I'm not gonna do that, but we are going to do WASM today, because I never did WASM. Actually, I did to test if this thing worked. And this is a pain in the ass to make work. Because I can show you the same example. I thought root directory was a directory where the TinyGo binary was, right? This would make sense. No. Like if I do that equals /usr/bin, build. Yeah, that's the correct root. And I was like, I searched for like 20 minutes. What was the correct root? Do you know what it is? The source directory. I download this shit from Zipper, and I need. By the way, Zipper is the package manager of SUSE and SUSE itself, I think, too, right? The YAST one. I mean, I could just RPM. I think no, Yum is not installed by default on OpenSUSE, even though I can install it. It's not installed. Well, it is Yum based technically. Well, Zipper is not Yum based. DNF is, but it is a Yum based distro. Anyway, so because I'm lucky, actually, if I do Zipper search TinyGo. No, not TinyGo. TinyGo. That is source package. I thought it was installed. Apparently, it is not. So I have to install it. So that's source. I think that's how you're supposed to specify you want it. Yeah. So if you don't know, in OpenSUSE, when you load source packages, it downloads the source somewhere. I don't remember where. We have to check that in a few seconds. Somewhere, basically. So you don't have to download the GitHub at all. This is an interesting wrapper, and I wanted to do that specifically here because I want. And so I don't exactly remember where. God, I can't talk today. Where it is located? I think it is in /usr something. And then somewhere in here there is a package folder, but I think it is in share or something. Packages. No, it is not in here. Definitely not. Maybe no. Wait, I think it's in local. Local and then package. No, then share, then packages. All right. You know what? Find /usr and only directories. Can I do that? I can't. Okay, hold on. Let me just do that. Packages. Oh, in /source. In /source, of course. src. That actually makes sense. So if I look inside of this, there are all of those things. And I think it is in either sources. It is in sources. You have all the .j, everything. You have everything in here. However, I think in specs. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, there's this file. What is it? File. Damn. Okay. Let me open this in micro. I guess. Yeah. Okay, yes, that's how packages are specified. in SUSE. Yeah, okay. I remember this. So this is not what I want to see, actually. That is, I think it should be just in sources. I want to take this thing. So I can copy, wait, so I think we should go into the hub, right, and make a new directory. For now, would just be called GoWasm? Gasm? It is called Gasm now. Okay. Go WebAssembly. Gasm. This is not funny, but I love it anyway. Okay, so let's go into Gasm. Oh my god, last time it was lisp my balls, and now it is Gasm. Oh god, help me. Alright, so let's copy in from /usr/src packages, sources, and TinyGo. And we want to copy that right here, actually. So then we can just untar this bad archive, this bad boy. By the way, just checking something real quick. Oh wait, is my chat broken? It is half broken. Like, what is wrong with it? Never mind. When I try to show it, it works, of course. Alright, anyway, so TinyGo. Yep. And this, I did it once. This is so fucking long to decompress. But yeah. So we have to wait for a bit. So let's go to the here. So if we go to get started. So can I have the document? Yeah, I can have the documentation. I don't remember where is what I want to see. So it's not, I don't know, it's not here, it's not here. Okay, oh, by the way, why do you need Docker? If you can build, I mean, if you're on FreeBSD, maybe, but there's no FreeBSD for Docker, so yeah, no, I don't have any explanation. Why? I mean, yes, but this sounds dumb to me, so maybe I'm missing something, maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? Yeah, okay. So you can run this in embedded stuff. So yeah, small microcontrollers, WebAssembly as well. So I can use WASM and WASI. So I don't know what WASI is yet. Linux support. So you can build Linux binaries with this, even Mac OS binaries, though for Windows, fuck Windows. And that's, oh, never mind. Oh, you can, oh. I'm surprised, actually. Okay. ID integration, really? Do I care? No, I don't. So we need to go there. So in the chat, I will actually post this. Right? Oh, it finished. And in, I'm going to add a file. So micro video.md. And so references, right? By the way, the title of the video will be like having a gasm with WASM. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just freaking beautiful. Right. Here you go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh. I can't like spam the bell. Fuck you. I wanted to. So I know that I need that. So no. I must did shit because this is so long to uncompress, right? Yeah. This is so fucking long. But anyway, Anyway. So now we need to make a Go file. When it's so I'm going. Can I use? I can use that here, right? I don't have a wallet, but okay, I guess. It is asking me for a password I never set. Guess this is okay then? I'm not even sure. By the way, bug with the icon again, and even the name shouldn't. I think it should be called Zed, but who cares? It just works anyway. What is it? Well, I don't know if you can see, but this shit is not even answering. What? Fuck me, I guess. Oh, I was scared for a second. Guess I can try to reopen it. No, it is not answered. Okay. Let's try again. Maybe. Oh wait. Oh god. Oh, it lagged for a second. I was so scared. Okay. So this works. Okay, nice. So I want to make main.go, I guess. Or maybe wasm.go? Gasm.go, yes. So package main, of course, and func main. So as far as I understand of TinyGo, the main function is compiled, is exported actually, like this, to this function in wasm. And this is run because there is a wrapper, a JS thing that you need to happen to your web page that will run the WASM module. For simplicity, actually. For simplicity. So for now, we're gonna use the TinyGo thing because the WASM module is smaller. From experience, we'll test that out together though, and maybe then we'll stop using it and we'll just use the simple go build command and find our way out. So here we can just do print ln hello golang hello web from a wasm made from Golang. This is the longest hello word ever. Hello web. Hello the web. From. And bang. And one explicit semicolon in Golang. With fucking spaces. With fucking spaces. Fucking spaces. So I am a piece of shit. I am using white spaces here instead of tabs. Spaces, just regular spaces, because the tab is a white space. I guess I can show toggle. I think I should toggle, and I want toggle. I think it's white space. There is a thing I want here. Wait, white space. There is a way to do that I just learned on my own profile. So wait, settings. Your settings, and thus somewhere I'm supposed to do something. I'm supposed to find something, and I don't remember what it is. I'm done. I was about to do something, and I just forgot it. Damn. I am so fucking. I want it. Yes, show white spaces. Show white space. And I can say that. I can't say that. Oh, yes, of course, because true and on doesn't mean the same thing. Because actually, I'm supposed to, by default, this is selection actually. But I want to show them all the time. Here we go. Oh yeah, and this shit formats unsafe. Let's say none. I can say null. Okay, nice. And the format unsafe. No. Actually, oh. You can say no. Oh, really? I must say. Fuck me up, I guess. And all right, thank you. I want to write this because I want to. But don't ask me why. An explicit semicolon title. Explicit. Why? Well, I don't know. I just want to. All right, so exactly like you would do with Go build, you have to specify Go arch equals JS. Go OS is equal to WASM. Yeah, I know that looks weird. And then I'm supposed to do tiny go build, and then gasm.go. And never mind. Really. Oh yes, no, never mind. I think it is just that. So then I have to specify tiny go root, tiny go. Not again. I wanted to type tiny go. What the fuck is wrong with me? Tiny go root, and that is equal to this. And then I have this error. So I wasn't having the same error before when I was testing this out. But that basically means that if we go in very quickly in ls, what's present in tinygo lib. Oh, there are stuff. I thought it was empty by default. You can see that in muzzle lib muzzle. Thank you. Muzzle. Wait, this should be empty by default. What the fuck? Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's because I'm supposed to say it wasn't 32 here now. No. Okay, well, we are lucky we have a fucking documentation. Though this doesn't really. Oh, never mind. Oh. So it was the opposite actually. Yeah, because the OS of WASM is JavaScript, of course. And yeah, my bad. Wait a minute. Oh yes, I think it is because it wants me to explicitly say that this is outputted to gasm. That wasm. Yeah, okay, this is why. Because if it doesn't know that I want to output a wasm thing, it is like, why is your OS JavaScript? Why? So then we just have to go in tinygo then. Tinygo. As it wants us to run this. Right, so let's copy this and copy this. Thank you. And -b -j40. This dumb thing doesn't. So I know what I need to do here because I deep dived into this thing. By the way, why is it called Nuke New main now? Okay, interesting. Never saw that before, but I guess I'm just not very cut that much. So actually, it wants me to do. It doesn't tell me. No, it does tell me. Okay, so I'm supposed to download LLVM source. Fucking LLVM source. This thing is huge as fuck. Like, I'm glad they're doing a shadow clone because this thing is tremendously huge as fuck. Like, God, you don't know how big this is. And then it wants to build it. I don't know why. Like, I swear I have LLVM installed on my machine. Oh, wait. It is taking all my resources because I said J40. Oopsies. My bad. My bad. My bad. Let's just wait. I can't even open STUI. I can actually. Yeah, yeah. Oopsies. By the way, I should probably say that. This would help, probably. Oh no. Oh no. Plasma, the latest version of Plasma is not very stable on my machine. I don't know exactly why. But yeah, this is actually using a bunch of in the... Oh wait, oh fuck, it's just I never saw STY phrase. God, I mean it's Python, but really, like look at this. Oh, it even fucking failed. How do you fail to get cloned? How did you fail that? How is that possible? What? Okay. Yes. By the way, aim a note. I have a can of Red Bull here, and I wish. Oh, but it's empty. This is alrighty. By the way, see you, the two viewers in the chat. Hello, you. Hello. Hello. By the way, I haven't acknowledged this. What is this? Is this Chromium or something? Whatever. So thank you, yeah, Umbrian, for following me. Thank you, really. I really appreciate that. I wasn't even streaming a few days ago, so deep thank you. Deep thank you. Can I force actually the docs to restart? Because I can reload them, but that doesn't help. Refresh them actually. I can't even inspect them. Okay. Yeah, but this is the console. I don't know if there's anything irrelevant in here, but this is the console of my Twitch chat. By the way, a bit of inspection right here. I can see that when I'm hovering this, it is not selecting the black area, so it is not due to the HTML itself. It is due to the dock. I guess it's my OBS. It is up to date though, so I'm trying now. This is so big. Like, wait. So it is downloading LLVM project, right? LLVM project. So where is it from? It is from, well, okay. So do they have their own LLVM? Oh, it is. Oh, actually, it is an LLVM wrapper for Go. Oh, interesting. That is interesting. Okay, nice. So, how big it? No, fuck. So LLVM project here, but yes, yeah, this is better. Because I'm not logged in. Fuck you, GitHub. Fuck you, Microsoft. By the way, look at this. By the way, I don't think you know people on YouTube, so quickly explaining. No, you don't. I think you don't. So this is me formatting my external SSD. It is slowly printing the percentage after one another, which is not really normal as far as I'm aware. Oh, it did, finally. So then I do LLVM builds, right? I do that. And this is so fucking slow. Like, this 14 cores. Anyway. Like, this is the most annoying part of this live stream, I swear. After making all those things, we'll be able to code to put WASM into some things. So by the way, for this project, just to build an LVM. No, I guess this makes sense. Let's prove this because this is actually taking performance. Oh no! Oh no! God, my PC is so hot. Anyway. I can put some music. Yes. No, I won't actually because. Well, actually, I'm not making commercial, so I can put some music. I can put some music. Yeah, yeah. Because this is lo-fi girl music. They are re-licensed or content creators wanting to make commercial use, and I'm not using them for commercial use. To actually fine. Because I'm not making money off my YouTube videos. If you don't know, if you do have ads, just you block on my videos. I won't mind really. You block or whatever you want. Just block my ads. I don't really give a shit because I'm not making money out of videos. So if there are ads on my videos, I will get angry. Everything like oh god. I haven't even ate this noon. Yeah, no, I haven't. This lunchtime. It was no lunchtime. But anyway, not really caring about my lunchtime. Right? Are we? I'm not actually. I don't give a shit about my not my own lunchtime. I don't. All right. So then we'll be able. Little spoiler. We'll be able to. Can I wait? The wrong place. And then. Oh wait. This is the limit of things. Interesting. So I wanted to show you the comment, but yes, it is. And yeah, it is right here. You'll be able to do that. Oh, by the way, cool feature of Kitty. I can put the whole standard output and input and error, everything in the pager, and then I can just search for it. Right. And yeah. I don't remember how to go up. Like it is N to go down and go up. And B does the beginning. Then I don't remember this thing. You can set markers? Oh nice. Interesting. Interesting. Anyway. Oh, here. Never mind. Right here. I'm just done. Alright. This is so long, by the way. Like, oh. This is so fucking long. This is... By the way, don't worry. Normally, there will be timestamps down below so you can skip all of those boring moments. Anyway. So, if you don't know, by the way, you're supposed to... Where is this reading? Right here. You will have a wasmexec.js that you add to your page, or maybe you import it or whatever. And when you do that, cool stuff happens. Cool stuff, what do you mean? Well, basically you have access to Go. This thing, which is a wrapper, in which you can just run the instance, because it is kind of standardized by TinyGo for themselves. So this is clearly not maybe the best way to do that, but we can, by the way, even import functions from JS like this and run them like this. And we can also explicitly export functions, right? So yeah, like for instance, I did it already. Is it? Control match enter? Yeah, it is. So you can see that. Yeah, okay. Okay. So if I cd in so Gasm, yeah, Gasm. Actually, I'm using Zoxide, so if I Zoxide into Wasm, well, main. Oh no, wait, it's gasm, not go. It's gasm go. It's go-gasm. Go-gasm. I'm having a go-gasm with your mom. Alright. So by the way, this will error. Because by default, main is exported implicitly by TinyGo to start. And so when you do that, well, it was like, there are double exports of start. However, if I want to export main to this shit, I can. And I'll be able to run it like this. Just like this. Alright. So yeah. By the way, I think I should probably WebAssembly. Wasn't? Yeah. Yeah. I think I can just put that in here because I'm pretty sure I'll need it. So let me cd into Gasm. I'm a bit lost in my mind. I'm sorry. I had a rough evening last night. Yesterday. I mean, because of my shoulder leaking and let's say money issues and apartment issues. I can't get into details because I don't want anything else, things I could say. Yeah. Ethically, what happened yesterday was bad, according to myself at least. So let's also add wasn't. If I don't use it down, maybe we'll see. Okay. Alright. So what is happening? I can actually close this and we will see together. And by the way, we're only here. So I will just cut the video right now and see when it's built because I'm a bit lazy to have a video just with me building stuff, half of it. So yeah, let's go with this. All right, it's finally finished building. So now we can finally run our make WasUlipC. And this is actually way faster, as far as I'm aware. Build succeeded. Yeah, here we go. And now if we go back and we try. Oh yeah, by the way, we played a bit with LLV when waiting. So we do that thing, and it doesn't work. I don't remember. I had the same problem, but it doesn't. Oh wait, no, it doesn't work. Yeah, I don't know. I had the same problem, and I don't remember what. There is a problem with the arguments, but I don't know what is the problem. We can actually take a look at how they are doing that. And we can see, basically, they are doing the same. Fuck! I have a problem. Sorry, that's my phone vibrate. I think I can remove that, by the way, but it doesn't really help. I hate when this happens. What does that mean? What does that mean? That doesn't mean anything. Package common like arguments. What? What is wrong with the package common like arguments? Be more explicit. Oh. I need to vent someone. Wait a sec. Okay. Like for I want to buy chicken viewers on streambamboo.com. I won't come. I'll just think to go. Maybe is that the sauce? I don't know. Yeah, no, definitely not. This is. Oh no, remember. This needs to be an absolute path. For some reason. What? Wait a fucking second, what does that mean? What? I didn't have this problem last time, actually. What if I do that? Maybe it will fix it. Yeah, okay, so I can't export main function anywhere. Anyway. And so I had also this problem last time. And by no chance, it is not present in on Zipper. Yeah, it is not. So what I had to do is find this thing. And I did find it. And it is not here exactly, more like in probe, I think I call this for directory. No, it's here, probe. And then go wasm. And then I don't remember the name, so I will need to do first this. That's the front. Oh, fuck, my bad. What? Okay, but it is not the one I want. Yeah, no, okay, it is go wasm actually, but with an underscore or something. And so this is what I want. So I want to copy that here. Oh, my bad. I want to go wasm before, and then right, and okay, so this thing is exactly what we want. It is wasm opt and some other things. It is a tool chain for wasm actually. It is the official one actually, as far as I'm aware. Compiler and toolchain files for WebAssembly written in C++. Exactly. This is, by the way, why it is way smaller than Go build. So yeah. It's alright in here. Written in here. Anyway, so I basically use this thing. So they have things here, and I just downloaded it. So downloaded it. So same thing, sending this in chat and putting that in the references. In the reference section. There we go. Alright. Actually, no, GitHub doesn't do that. Yeah, they don't. Alright, anyway. Those two. Right? No, this should stay open, sorry, my bad. So now we need to specify, so we have two choices, by the way. So we can either specifically say that wasm opt is in there, or we can add the folder to the path, which I think makes much more sense. So path is plus equal by this thing. Never mind, I guess I can't do that, but I know I can do that. So here, oh wait, no, I don't need quote, I guess. PWD, that. Name some best viewers on Takes Cock by Your Mom. Then, and delete. I mean, it's already deleted. So it doesn't work because I'm oopsies, and then path, I guess. What did I do? Oh, oopsies! I forgot this part. And now it's built. And it's this big. And if I do go like this, but with the code, so go build gasm.go to gasm.wasm, .go because I don't want to erase it for nothing. Like, God, this is so... It's even bigger than last time for some reason. Oh yes, because the text is bigger, maybe? I don't know. Anyway. And I can't make this smaller because it includes a bunch of things that we don't need in there, but you can see that both files are basically the same. Yeah, here. What do you mean seesaw? No. But this is need ASCII text. It can be. I feel link file could recognize your files. Like they all start with package something. You can even specify what package it is. In this case, package main. So by the way, we should probably be a bit more proper and do go mode init. So because it on codec, we do codec.org/ so getter. And then we can do go mode ID. And we also need something else, actually. We need an index.html page and so JavaScript, all TypeScript. And we actually are gonna use a real language along with Golang, which is also a real language. TypeScript. Is that a real language? Well, but do you hear something? I think someone is something here. Maybe a ghost or a ghoul. A zombie. Anyway, so for that we're gonna be using Dino. And if you wonder why, you're using Bun, it is best, then why aren't you using Cox? I'm using Dino because its standard library, because freaking has one, is web compatible. So it will probably at some point be useful. We can do Dino init and remove the main thing that this testing you. Well, I mean, we can't really test the web anyway. Don't tell me use Puppeteer. No, I'm not. All right, so we can modify this file. Actually, we can go to. We can actually just go on chat first, and in the JSON, we can remove the asset because we don't need assets, and we also don't need that. Instead, we need to compile TS to JS, and to do that, it is kind of easy. Do that, we need to create a build.ts or .js, and I think .js is enough here. So we can go here again and do Control-M. And we can do a build.js using esbuild. So on Dino, to add something, you do npm. Because esbuild is not on JSR yet, and you do that. Pretty simple. And so they are kind enough. Because in the past you could do Dino bundle. Yeah, you can do that. But now you can't anymore. Instead, they even give you the code that you need. There you go. It is right here. We can take a look at this, by the way. So, I mean, it's pretty obvious what it's doing. So, but here the entry point is supposed to be something. Yeah, it is supposed to be main.ts. Unless for now we only are building this, and the output file will just be main.js. We can specify that it is a relative pair. And yeah, and that is it. I mean, we could probably compile to another format, but I don't really have the options here, and I can't even like go there. Like the TS server isn't clever enough to go there, so yeah. Anyway, this is okay. Like even it's the same here. I can't go higher for some reason, and same thing here. So yeah. Anyway. So I mean, I can use this too. I like. We're not good at it. Yeah, right. So what's this doing? Very simply, well, Actually, we don't really need to store the result, so we can do that here, I guess. Right. And that's it. So for now, main.ts isn't really doing much, and I won't do that actually. For now, we won't be doing anything here for now. But yeah, so this is our simple build.js. Though it would be kind of convenient to add building to Go from here, I guess. So I don't remember how you do that, and I don't think I have auto completion for Dino. So we kind of need to take a look at the documentation. I think it is something about process or something, but I can't really tell. So, by the way, we also need to add this. So, Dino add this. All right, here we go. And same thing, it can't go higher because there is no node modules with by default. So yeah. All right. So yeah. So if we just run it, by the way, let's put ESM back here for now at least. And if we do a Dino, just Dino, I think, not Dino run, but I think just Dino works. And I do build.js, it will prompt me with all of those things, right? So what we can do, actually, we can go in dino.json and add a build task here, and we can do dino run. So we can run build.js, sorry, my bad. Yep. And we can add allow env, and we can even specify that we only allow is build binary path. Okay. All right. So then we can yes. Then it wants to access to this. Oh, never mind. To access to this, so we can grant it access. I think like this, right? If I'm not mistaken. So yes, and then it wants to access to read CWD and CWD's current working directory. So then we can say hello, sorry, my bad, hello, contact read, and then we can say dot. So yes, and then it also wants to access this for some reason. So we can also say this, and oh, I thought software wasn't equal, my bad. Then it also wants to access the env itself, actually. But then we just can allow everything, I guess. And it's the environment, so it's not really bad. It also wants exact path, so that is a bit more annoying to type, but it's actually solvable by doing this. So I can do that, and then I can do like this. I can do which Dino, right? I think. Well, actually no, because it's pretty obvious that this will be in /usr/bin, right? But we can also allow it to read /etc. Maybe not. I think this is pretty obvious that most people will have this. Yeah. Right, I guess. I will also add, just in case, because I know I can do this myself in here, and also in local /bin. Last thing could be maybe in /opt, but this is not usually where it should be, so but not on my console. So it's a yes in here. It also wants to run something, and that is pretty easily done because it wants to run a comment. It wants to run ES build, and this one is pretty easy to say because we can say hello run, and then we can specify this. No, my bad. We can specify, so we should probably. So I think I should use this. Yeah. Right? And so if I do Dino, is it safe? Yeah, it is. Task build. Anti-command name is not owned. Fuck. That is a problem. Or maybe it is this. Maybe. No, not okay. So I don't really know how to get this specifically. So what if I use this? Because this is unsafe. Basically, this means that the program can run anything, and we don't want that. We actually don't want that. So we could probably say that this is this, I guess. Maybe I can just say ES build. I don't know. No. Or maybe I think it wants also to run Dino and not me, but maybe Node, I guess. No? No, actually, no, it does want to run that. Well, actually, I guess this is fine to say it manually. Well, no, because it will prompt us every time if we do a watch. But yes. Okay, so this is what's missing. If I do this, right? I think that's no, okay. Yeah, so it wants a full path. That's annoying. Because I can't really tell. So I guess putting in manually, put it like this is okay. So what if I do this though? Oh, okay. What if I do this? Okay, well then. So let's put it explicitly that. Does it work? It does. Okay, so for now we'll just be doing that. Sadly, this is not very satisfying, but I guess for now I can't really do anything else. So yes, oh wait. How many single quotes? Yeah, okay. Wait, so what if I redo that? This. Are you dumb or something? Wait. If I do that myself. If I do that myself, right? And I do ls on this, it doesn't find what I want. Oh, never mind. It does find it. So if I do it like this, I can try doing that maybe. I mean, if you know any other a better way to do that, well, tell me. But for now, let's just do it fully explicitly. Yeah. Alright, and so if we look here, we have our beautiful main.js, which is empty. That makes sense, because main.js is also empty. So yeah. So in build.js, we probably should create a new process for TinyGo and build. So we should probably go here. So Dino CLI, that's not what we want. We want Dino API. So there is process, I think, in here, right? Start process, yeah, indeed. So there is even a class to do that. So in it, yeah, it's Dino.run. Dino.run. So yeah, if I just go in here and say, so what does this return, by the way? What does this return? Unstable? A process. What is a process? Oh, the music is so nice. The status. So this is a promise. Okay. Process the status. Aha. Deprecated to. Oh wait, this is deprecated to. Is this? This isn't though. So what does it return when it is not deprecated then? Well, I don't know. Because it just says that. Well, I guess I can go there and say Dino.process. I guess if I do sub process. Fuck me, I guess. I don't know, and I won't know until I use it. That's fine, we can just fuck around. We can just fuck around. So we can probably do an array of those things and a function, right? So what I think we can do a function that's called build comments. Build, yes, we can do like build as something like maybe run. And so it accepts an array of strings. So I guess we can switch build.js to build.ts because it can just run ts. So let me rename it here. No, so I have to rename it from here. And the same. Oh, I knew that this would happen. But this is okay. This is not true errors. It is errors for regular TS server. We could probably use Dino as an LSP, but I don't know where. Can actually go in extension and see if there's Dino. There is actually Dino. Nice. How do I set up it? Set it up, sorry. How do I set it up? Do I say Dino here? No. Dino? I don't know. Oh no, this will do, I guess. So the function run takes comments as an array of objects. I think this is valid to write, right? Is it? No, it's not. I thought it was. An array of object then. Indeed. So I guess I can probably make a type here. So type comment is equal to object with a process of type string, actually for CMD of type string, and args of type array. Very simply. And so this is an array of comments. Wait. Isn't how you maybe is it the yes it is. Yeah, so I can technically inline the type. Yeah, I can. I wasn't sure. I can. Great. So this function will do for const comment in comments, right? No wait, yes. So then you do Dino that also it does kind of work, but not entirely for some reason. So that so it's that run, that run. No, should be Dino that run. Okay, I guess we won't care about the LSP today. Language server. Can I? No, I can't just disable it somehow. Okay, that is okay. So this takes us. Did it just format it? No, okay, it didn't. So the default in here is somehow. Two. I hate that. Where do I change that? So our arguments, this thing, CMD, as a string, as an array, sorry. So here I'm supposed to put CMD, and then I'm supposed to put args. Yeah, args. This. Oh wait, it's comment. Dot CMD and comment. Comment. Dot args. Can I do that? Weird. Eh? What? This is weird. Like, this doesn't make sense, but I guess I can. Sorry. Sorry. Well, I guess I can do something else here. I actually can change the type of an array of string. And here I just do comment. Alright. Put the string comma here. I will. And that's it. Then we're supposed to wait until the process is finished and continue. Though I don't really know how to do that. And right now the documentation is a bit messy because it returns a process that is removed. And here there is nothing about process. Output, yes. It's output. Okay, so I need to wait. Okay. So run. So I need to call this run sync, by the way. A run sync, and then I do. So here I do const proc is equal to this, and then I can do const. So here I can take the suck, and I think it's out. And I can do proc dot. So I can say that this is an async function, by the way. So proc dot output like this. Oh, it's dot comment now. Okay, comment. And so okay, so I need to restore what I had before. Fuck me. All right, so this has cmd of type string and args of type array of string. And so in here I do in here I do pass, so it is different. It is like this, and so it takes cmd here, and they add as args, but it args actually like this. What? Oh, it is new. Oh yeah, and so there I do that and comment dot that. So that is kind of binding. What? Right, let me copy this very quickly. What? Oh. Wait, no, this is a weird error. So it is alternating between TS server and Dino TS server. It doesn't really fix anything. Okay, fuck me, I guess. Like, this is found, but not this. Yeah, okay, sure, whatever. Okay, so if suck, I can just continue. I don't really care about the output. Actually, I can console that log. The output. Oh wait, my bad. Oh wait. Am I missing something? No, I'm not. Because I just can't rename them. Okay, in here output. It's not called output apparently. There is just std out and stdr. What is success, by the way? Okay. So if I won't do that, so well I can, but there, and so this std. Wait, no, never mind. I think I can just do log std out. Duplicate this line and stdr like this, I guess. Wait, oh, I can just ignore them actually. For now, this is fine. What's in there, by the way? Okay. I wish I could set it like output line. Oh, I guess I can't. In here, does it take options? It doesn't take options. So I guess we can just do that. If success continue, else console.log something went wrong when building. When running. So when running. How do I write this word? When running cmd plus args. Wait, no, it is. I can't stop forgetting. I don't know why. That here and to put comment dots those things. Dot join space. That's and break. And then I can say stopping. For that. And I hate the two spaces here. This is I had it. Right, whatever. And by the way, this finished. Thank you. Oh, thank you, MKFS. Thank you, MK and TFS. Thank you. I really appreciate this. Yep. Alrighty. The video has been doing for 1 hour. Sorry, by the way, I'm very concentrated in this code. I just want it to work, actually. Toggle, LSP, language, server, errors, problems. How do I just remove, for now at least, like language servers? I guess I can just do roll. So I can just do that. And so now it should probably just shut up. No, of course now. Wow. Ah, so, okay, so now it shuts up. It's what? All right, this is not the matter. So in here, I actually can say like, you know, TS or something, right? And then if I restart language server and I do the mistake, it doesn't error. Okay, fuck me then. All right, that's not really important anyway. So let me just very quickly replace that with 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Yes, that is better. So the tab hints are kind of broken, but whatever. And so that's it. I don't really have to do anything else. So then we can take this here, run this here, and then we can actually run sync a bunch of functions so that we can do an array. And then we can probably do something like, so the problem is that I need to set environment variables. Oh, I can set those. I can set those here. And right, I don't have any language server running anymore, but I can do that. I remember. So I guess this should be an object. And so if we go to the terminal, we go to the terminal, and we look at how we are building Nico. Sorry for your eyes, everyone. All right, I probably should search also tiny go build. Okay, so that is what we need to do. That is what we need to do. So this one worked. Okay, so I need to do that. So right, so I need to set the path like this, right? So I guess it should be something like path right here, and then you say that it is equal to dino.env or something. I don't really know how you do that, so let's just do dino.env for now. It will probably try to correct me at some point. because the Dino CLI is actually pretty clever on errors. So I want to get path, yeah. Then plus this, plus, so plus, wait, so what is the equivalent of path.join? Yeah. If I do fastest, then probably, I do join. No, path. Close, how do you do that? Let me find the path. So I can link, copy, schmod, stat, I can make dir, read link, and all of those things. So this is not what we want, actually. So let me try to find join. Let's clean up this, and that is all the joins, really. Fuck. Join. Path the join. You can actually use it. But actually, you know what? There is an AI. That's it. Equivalent. In Dino. I never saw Orama in action. Oh, so there is the standard. Okay, so where do I get the standards? Because this is not a Dino API, and this is standard. All right, so I guess here I'm supposed to import pair from @std/pair, right? I recall well what it just told me, and I just forget. So path std Dino. Can you have enough context here? No. Like, which thing do I need to import? Do I need to import to use it? That is indeed what I need to do. This. Okay. And I don't even have to specify JSL normally, but I will see if I need to. So here, actually no, the path should be something else. So then env. And env should be something, but I don't know what. So actually let's go to subprocess and find comment. Dino.comment here, okay. And so this thing should have end. Wait, no, it should have this. Ah, so we can do this then. That is actually interesting, so I will do this as well. So it takes options, comment options. So let's take a look at this. So env is a record of a string. All right. So I can actually type this record of string, which is basically an object. So right. So here I can just say env is comment that env, because env is also undefined if I recall well, right? Maybe not. So actually, because I'm not sure, I will just say is equal to that. Right, so let's actually put back the language Java, because I'm not very sure. Okay, so this is okay then. Like, I love the fact that this is okay, but this is not at the same time. This is so funny. Like if you look here, you can see that somewhere. Where is it? So like there is JSON thing, but where is? I'm not even. Oh, it's here. No. Whatever. Whatever. So this should be working then. This should be working, right? So this could be pipe, right? I guess the best way to do it. So what is up? Executes. Okay. Went through an error if. But then I should probably be doing spawn instead. Spawn a streamable subprocess allowing to use the other method. So what does this return? This return a child process. So then I can say, so actually this is comment. So let's call this one CMD. And here CMD, and then I can call this one proc. So proc, what do you have as methods? You have kill outputs, so probably waits. Okay, so this is exactly what I want to do. And here I don't need a wait, as far as I'm aware. So I can do const success, then success. Like this is equal to await proc.output, process.output, which is basically the same thing as I was doing before. Stop doing that. Stop. Wait, no. Thank you. So tab size 4. All right, thank you. And hard tabs, no. False. Here it's up and here it's whatever. I hate this. Anyway, so this is, by the way, wrong. So this should take something like CMD. And so, yeah, okay, no, that is okay. Is it Dino.ts complaining? No, it is, yes, so we're good. Okay, so in here we want to say that we want to run tiny go. Right, actually I can probably put that here like this and like this. So it also wants me to put the arguments. The arguments here, they are an array, of course. They are, very simply, we want so to say -o. -o being go, I think it is gasm.wasm. Right, so then actually I can do that. Then, that is wrong, by the way. Oh, so end is mandatory? Oh yeah, okay, wait. All right, do that. Is it like this? Yeah, it is like this. And so end can be undefined, so we're good. Okay, so we want that. We also want to put the name of the file here, which is gasm.go. Here we have gasm go. I wish it was a good gasm. Anyway, so I think for the arguments, as far as I'm aware, we're good. So let me verify that very quickly. Yep. Let me paste this. So, well, actually, because of the way it works, I'm supposed to do that. Actually, I probably should say that here too. And oh, by the way, I also need to specify that I'm building. And for the environment, I want the path to be equal to Dino dot env. Okay, so it is an interface. Okay. So that env dot get So I want to get the path. Then to the path, actually what? I want to go into the repo of Gino. So Gino repo allow all. It looks exactly what how I want it. Perfect. So I can do that. And then to it, I can just basically append what I want. And so I want to append, yes, to append this. So it is binarian something. I don't remember. Where is it? Here. I want to append this. Yeah, I want to append this. But actually, no. What I want to do instead is path.join right here. Do I have to do this? Oh, actually, it seems that. Yep, indeed. Oh. Join. Oh, okay, so I'm supposed to do all as join. No, as path. Okay, and so then I can do path.join. So I want to do this, and I want to get PWD. Can't find him. Do you know what is the global error? Okay, so I can just do, I can say if you are nothing but just append this, right? I guess this is fine. Yep. Actually, maybe I should say that CWD instead. Yeah, I guess this makes much more sense. So for the path, I think we're good. Then we need to set those two, which are very easy to set. We just have to do that. And then we can do that, and then this. Right, very easy. Very easy to set. Okay. And then we have to set this one. I guess I can probably do here const CWD. CWD is equal to this, to CWD, yeah, here, and same for the path, because I will need them as we go probably. So, and I'm just using standards for TypeScript when I'm writing this. I don't care, right? I really don't give a fucking shit. And it shouldn't be undefined. So, but so we can see this either path, string, or undefined. So if path is undefined, we have a problem, user. We should do console.error, and here we want to do something went wrong when getting path. Your environment variable, is it set? Right. All right. And then we can just basically return. Wait, we can't do that. Actually, we can exit. We can do process. I don't sure exactly know, by the way. How I'm supposed to exit? I can't just do that, right? Yeah, makes sense. But I guess we can import as process probably from JSR at std slash process. No. Where? Oh yeah. Oopsies. And the path and the... Right. Actually, I can try to call this one CW. I can call this one PWD, and yeah. So they don't conflict then. Yeah, they don't. Yeah. Okay. All right. Can I do dino.exit or something? Dino.exit. Oh yeah, I can do that actually. Exit 1. And if it is not undefined, then we can continue and do that. And finally, we have tiny go root. And so this one, I think it's pwd plus, not plus actually, it is path dot join pwd and banana. Yep. pwd and tinygo this. By the way, I think I should put this one on another workspace. And it's very inconsistent. I'm going to replace all of those. Not project, oops, my bad. All of those to all of these. Voila. However, no problems about quotes here, but so this just should be it. This should run and build TinyGo, the gasm.go to gasm.wasm. So by the way, let's remove all the gasm. Yeah. By the way, so if I do say with if I do this, right, and I just do dash help. Yeah. So I think there is get output file name, no. Can we be verbose? I don't think we can. No, we can't. Okay, I think we just, yeah. You know, that is, we can't do really much more about testing. So, yeah, let's try this. So let's do Tino test belt. Oh, my bad. My bad. I forgot to change. What? Oh, by the way, this is editor with, yeah. And here we go. Build.ts. Right, so is this going to work? And it is. Oh, my bad. So then it wants to access TinyGo, so we can just say, go on, baby, go on. So we can allow in here more things. So my bad. I thought this would. Okay. And this. Here we can add TinyGo because it's my path. So TinyGo. All right. Yes, and that's it. Something went wrong. Because it is gold. Ah, I just removed it. Oh shit. My bad. That is my bad. So let's quickly create it, right? So we can call this, so it's gasm.co package main, then func main, and print len, the same thing. So hello wasn't world from Golang. No comma here, and that's it. So, but that means this worked, right? Because and I can even do something. I can add a test. I know you don't like tests, but here it is interesting. Believe me, it is interesting. Okay, so we can add to comment right here to the type. We can also add expected file, expected files. Well, for now, I don't see anything that would mean it is expecting multiple files. So let's do that, and let's align all of those to there. So expected files. Yeah, same Scheiße here. But this doesn't look very good, right? Never mind, forget what I just did. Alright. So expected file is a string. Sorry, my phone. Okay, so in here, so if expected file, expected file, comment that expected file isn't undefined, and then we need what? Okay. Okay, so if this happens, we need to verify if it's going well. If that's going well, focus. I guess we should probably do right away the opposite and just continue if it's not undefined. So it is still formatting somehow sometimes. Anyway, so here we want to say, want to do dino dot read file, or maybe file exists. No, it doesn't exist. So read file. Read file is async, right? It's asynchronous. Yeah. So we can do read file sync. So it is an array of bytes. Okay, so we can say here expected file, expected comment dot expected file, which at this point, yes, should know that, yeah, this is on a string. So there we can then make const expected file, actually. And if, so does this error, by the way? Reading a directory returns an empty thing. Yeah, but if it doesn't exist, what happens? Does it throw something on? Let me take a look at the documentation here. So it is file system, right? File system, and then read sync. Yeah, read sync. We can also open it too. Okay, and then okay, interesting. So I guess we can say that's C, sorry, read file sync. here. I can search for this. By the way, I unconsciously stopped the music. Sorry. Ah, okay, so I'm supposed to open it first, then okay. Alright, so I guess open. I can open it. So this expects the same probably, yes. And so I can do it. So it can supposed to do await. So let's call this just a file, I guess. Yep. So here then I can just say read. That's it. Does this throw though? Does this, so what happens? So open a file. The file does not need to previously exist. Ah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, so file that close. Uh-huh. The problem is that I'm only saying read, not write. Mm-hmm. The file does not need to exist. Okay. If using the create or create new open options, but I'm not using them. The column I have, so it will error them. I don't understand. It's telling it does not need to exist if it is set. So what does it do then? I guess I can try. So let's re-go in the repo. After all, so if I do Dino, so let's do const. Oh, it's syntax highlighted. Nice. File is equal to Dino. Then open. Like dot open gibberish because this doesn't exist. And it's okay. So it throws. Why do I say it? I want to say it throws. It throws. God damn it! It throws. Okay, right. It throws. Okay, fuck you. Alright. So you can say try this. Just try it. I'm not even gonna assign anything. I'm just gonna do that in the empty void. Alright. And I'm even gonna try to close it here because that would be weird in the file. So I guess I should probably do like this. And at the end, dot close. This doesn't take much space, and then I can say catch. So E of type not found. Well, the file exception. No error. I guess this file error then. It's just error, I guess. Ah, okay. I can also just say catch E. Well, I guess I don't really care about the error. But here I should probably do console. By the way, here, error as well. Error. So console.error. And here I want to say, very simply, I want to say that here I expect something went wrong. Expected file. Expected file. comment, so comment dot expected file, does not exist. Okay. All right. Here we go. Here you go, my friend. So this should probably work, and here we should probably break. However, here we can't really do anything. By the way, this can go away, and here we do continue. Continue. All right. So I can test that by not doing anything here, just adding expected file to be equal to it's gasm.wasm. I can even put a path here, and actually it knows that it exists. Not at all, actually. Okay, I thought it was going to open a binary. Not funny. Not funny, and it works. And if I say gasm dot, or if I say orgasm, right? Something that we don't have. Something went wrong. Expected file orgasm.wasm does not exist. So here I should probably not even break actually. I should just straight up do dino.exit one. I said one, thank you. Alright, and same here. Alright. Here you go. So if I redo the orgasm instead of gasm, orgasm. And if I echo that, it works. Okay, perfect. So we have a very basic builder now. So now we need to actually use it. So to use it pretty simply, we can do index.html. So do I have? So there are no emits, I guess, because this doesn't expand to anything, unless you expand some with a way, don't know. And I think HTML is an extension. It's already installed. Fuck. With emits. Oh yes, it does exist. I don't know how it works, but emit. So if I do that here, it does work. Perfect. So we can say gasm here, or gasm like this. Me or gas, I don't know, just gasm. This is fine. Gasm, you know, in the body we don't really put anything here, so for now we don't give a shit. Because, yeah. However, here we're supposed to add some stuff. We're actually supposed to add main, like the path to main.js, which is right here. Right, and then defer. Okay. So this should probably work. And by the way, if you don't know, defer is here to indicate that this should go at the end after this, but before this actually. Okay. Nice. And so in main.ts, so let's open it. Let's open it. Main.ts. Oh, really? How do I quickly? I can do that, but how? Control. Yeah. Okay. So main.js, not .ts. Actually, we don't want to open the TS one. Okay, this is all right. So now what we need to do, I guess what I want to do document dot add event listener. Actually better than that. Dom on. Okay, no. Or maybe it's window. Dom content. Okay, so it's on document. Okay, document that adds event listener. The type here should be DOM content loaded, and the listener should be an async anonymous function. Right? Does it make sense? It does, so I hope it does to you as well. To confine them documents. Changing the lib compiler option to include DOM. Fuck you. Straight up fuck you. Can I do that in briefly? Can I do that in here? No. I don't know actually. Can I do that in here? Do you know? No. Okay. Well then, fuck you. Really? This is annoying. That's okay. So what we want to do now is actually first we want to do something. We want to import. We want to import a file. So dot actually dot slash. So in TinyGo, then in not exactly sure. We need to verify that. I thought I closed it. Nice. Okay. It is in WebAssembly exec, right? Yeah, that doesn't really help me where it is located though. So let's just see very quickly where is it located. So I guess it is in lib, maybe. Lib was it is not here. I don't know where it is. Wait, so we can find I guess file. No, type. What is this? Block special file. Oh, I could do that. Okay, so normal file. Type F, and we can grab wasm exec. In targets, nice. Okay. So in targets, yeah, I do remember it now. Okay, and then wasm exec. No, wasm exec.js. Here you go. And so this doesn't export anything as far as I'm aware. So if we look at the Go implementation, actually class here, which is here, it is not exported, right? So if I look at exports, oh, dots. Okay. And if we look at exports something, usually this is at the end. Like you see that this is inside the function here, right? So yeah. Anyway, so go back in. Let's go back in here, and so we should be able to say const go is equal to new go. However, I can't have a syntax highlighting for this. Sadly. However, maybe actually I could probably copy the class, just the class itself. So that should knows that this exists, right? Okay. Is it Control M? It is Control M. Okay. Control M. Control Shift M. Then. No. Oh, okay. Shift. Damn, this is a long declaration. Come on, soon. Maybe at best, actually. Yeah, right here. So I can probably add this here, but this will eventually error because it requires stuff I don't have. So fuck this. Fuck syntax highlighting. This will work. Yes, I hope. I do hope that, actually. I do. Actually, maybe we could probably, like, say, we could declare it, like, here. Let's say global. I don't remember how you do that. It's something like this, but I don't remember. Oh no, this will do, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. And so then, I don't exactly remember as well, so... yeah, so you do that. You do that. I'm kind of doing the opposite thing. I don't know if this is valid, so I guess I will just do that. Yeah? Well, I guess this is valid then, because it was an error. So if it is not, console dot error, WebAssembly API is needed for this site. Then just basically return. I mean, actually, you can just like do. You can do that. Yes, you actually can do that without that. Indeed. Indeed, we can do that. So I guess we can just do that. Since WebAssembly is a global, actually, I can probably do WebAssembly in window. For example, if I go here and I do window.WebAssembly, WebAssembly, it does exist. And this is the WebAssembly class. Like this. And so then we actually can just straight up paste what they wrote like this and just basically retab this whole thing. So this thing should be reversed to 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. There we go. So I should also pre-declare assembly. Actually, I probably should do this verification like right here. And I can actually say document dot append view paragraph and HTML, like HTML p element para element. How do you actually do that? Wait, there is the MDN link. There is the MDN link. It provides special properties beyond. So tell me how I'm supposed to instantiate HTML element or not. Doesn't seem like it. It doesn't seem like it. No. Okay. The new paragraph element. And then I can say. So can I append just basic text? Yeah, I can. WebAssembly API isn't needed for this site to work properly. Actually, I can probably like say error icons error is equal to this quotes, simple quotes, and then error here and error here. So now it takes so much memory. And then in here we can say let wasn't WebAssembly .instance. So by the way, this is still here, even though this isn't. When the window actually is here. So wasm URL is actually very simply slash go.wasm. No, wait, no, it is gasm wasm. Yes, gasm.wasm. So then we do that, and then we just instantiate and run. And so because I am annoying, I will use an arrow function. Because I want to. And I said because I'm annoying. And here I can't do that because this is not even like in the body. Anyway, and I can also remove those useless parents. Alright. So yeah, this should just work. This should straight up work. So we can do go. No, not go. Dino task build. Something went wrong because it wants orgasm.gasm. Of course it wants that. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? It wasn't to have an orgasm. Okay. So then you can do that, and it seems to have worked. So indeed, so we can take a basic look at main.js. And we can see that this is probably what we want. So now I'm gonna be using live server. So I need to install this globally, by the way. So npm install dash g live server. Oh yeah, my bad. I need Studio for that. This is gonna take some time, I think. Oh god. It should take not so much time. Wait a minute. That is weird. Why is it not working? I don't have burn locally. Fuck. I think I have another option. I can do npm live server, I guess. Go. I can try to run it. Oh, like this is instant, and oh, okay, so it does work. Just wondering, there's an npm way, and you can also do that. Okay. Okay, so this is basically the same thing. Okay. All right. So now I can do live server. Okay. And open this, and I guess I should probably add this to the references. Actually. All right. Okay. Let's take this, and also I probably should add Dino, like docs.dino, to the references as well, and to the chat as well. All right. Funnily, it looks at everything in the directory. So we can see we have a blank page, no text, and oh god, no error, but no freaking error actually. Let me enable those. It's not doing anything actually. That is weird actually. Let me do very simply console.log here. Console.log potato. Outside of this, maybe? No. What the fuck? Why is it not loading it? Oh well, my changes are not applied. Wait, I am dumb actually. I need to open another one of them, and I also need JSON to duplicate this and call this one watch, because we can't watch a task. You can watch here. You can, but more precisely say that you watch for. So I want to watch for main.ts. Main.ts, and I also want to watch for. Well, I could basically say any TS, but I also want to watch for gasm.go. Right. So then in here I can say Dino task build watch. Go, and if we it is detecting them, but it's not doing anything somehow. So let's go back in time and apply this. And is not working. Fuck. Fuck. What is going on here? Let's go back here. I am doing that. Wait, is it not loading it? Fuck. Oh my god. My bad. Oopsies. And what? Where is this from? Where the fuck is this from? Ah, I guess it is not building for the web right now. Let's go to is build settings here. What formats do you take? Is it written here? It is actually. Let's say CGS maybe. Fixing it. Domain can accept a text as a child of a document. WebAssembly just need. This is fine. I will fix this one, but this one is interesting. How do I do that? I guess I'm supposed to instantiate a P, right? To new HTML P paragraph element, like this. Dot inner HTML in the text being error. So in here I can probably say const P is equal to this thing. Yeah. And then I can say P dot that. And here we go. So P is this is this thing that this is a string. Oh, I think it's just saying dumb shit. Yeah, I think this is exactly that. I can just say that in the text then probably. And here I can append and it is they got a constructor. Is this a class? Oh, it's an interface. Ah. Oopsies. How do I do this thing? Instantiate HTML. Yeah. Oh, that is how you do that actually. Yes, my bad. Document that create elements like this, and then you say D. And this is the same because this is considered as a paragraph element anyway. So this should now work. That is okay, in HTML then. Oh wait, no, yeah, no, it is right. It is right. This is not a function. I should just that. Can I have more than one element child? Oh yeah, that should do document that body that happened. Here you go. However, I do have WebAssembly support on my browser, so it should be working. So I guess this is not right. Indeed, this should be here. This is fix it. So I guess I have to wrap this in parentheses and do that. Yeah. And fucking works. It fucking works, my dears. My guys and my girls, my pals, everyone. It works. And we're also switching protocol. What does that mean? Okay, okay, oh, yeah, okay. You're switching from HTTP to WebSocket, okay. And then just crashed. I guess it's just too happy that it wasn't works inside of it. It wasn't working inside of it? I think not. I think you know better than that. But just is crashing for some reason. Or just freezing. We will see if it's still dead at some point. We didn't drop any frame. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So this is broken. That's okay. I can just go here. Let's see. Kill. No Z. Here. Actually Z. Just worked. But I can just do this, and here I can say Zen browser. This doesn't need to be async for that. We have something that works. We just freaking ran wasm from Go like this. So now in theory I just have to make changes to Gazin.go and they will be applied from your mom. Now. And then I save. And then hello wasm word from your mom. So I like this. I like this. Maybe to make it a bit simpler for people to know that I'm losing live server, just in case I can say dev, and here I say live server. And I could probably exclude things, but I don't want to. Hello was a word from your mom. Lamau, your mom, Lamau. Ain't funny, ain't funny. Help me, please. Anyway, mostly though, we did the base. The question now: how do you interact with APIs from WASM? How do you do stuff from WASM in TinyGo? That is a good question. I don't think I will have the answer, because if I go here, we can see that they're not talking about doing anything here, right? If you have user, so this is for was I kind of not to run wasm. Okay, yes. In the server, that's really interesting for now, because I don't really know what we will build. What we'll build with Gazm, because I want to call that Gazm. Gazm. An or Gazm. All right. Oh well. So it's been more than 1 hour since last break, because when I made the pause when make time, I actually did a small break. What's up? Probably noticed. So let's make a quick pause, and we'll continue. We'll implement something. I'll think of it. Sorry, I pressed on studio mode button. I was like, what the hell? So it's you. Right. So I thought about it a bit, and I don't think I want to spend the time to implement something complicated today. Instead, I want to implement something simple, interfacing between JS and WASM very simply. But I'm not exactly sure how to do that. So very simply, we can just run functions from JS in Go. This is very easy, but the opposite is more complicated, because as far as I understand, you can't pass strings to WASM, right? So maybe you can, thanks to wasmexec.js. We'll see. So we can try, actually. We can try making a function that takes, I don't know, what can we build that will be very fast in Wasm, that would be kind of slow in JS right now? I guess we can implement a game, but I'm not a game dev, so this would take lots of time. I don't really want to stream much more, so yes, and move that. That's a bit, whatever. Okay, so let's go to gasm.code. So in here we can make a function. I don't know what exactly, but we can make a function that does something. So the simplest thing we can try to do is concat, right? And that takes an infinite amount of string. And so this, by the way, I need to name this argument maybe. So this is strings. So I don't know if you can just yeah, I guess I can do two return, which will be equal to the first argument of strings 0. Actually, if strings, and I think it is like len, right? Len, that is len. So len is equal to 0. I can just return an empty string because this function returns strings. I forgot to mention. Okay, right? We can do that. What else can we do? We can probably did I remove the explicit icon? I guess yes. So then we can assign to return, and then we can return. I mean, there is probably a better way to do that with the strings form, but let's just do for a for loop. So for nothing string str in a range made by strings, right, like this, I can just do return plus equals str, and here you go. I can just do that because return is a string. I can do that. I can do that very simply. I'm not sure if this is the simplest way to do it, the most memory efficient way to do it. Clearly not that, but this is fine. This is clearly fine. So then what we can do is in main.ts is try and run it. Right? We can just probably do that. So in here we can run whatever we want. We can do go.run. How do they do it? They do wasm.exports. Never mind. Is wasm.exports. So I can do it later, right? So wasm exports before it's assigned here. I mean, I can probably do wait then. Yeah. Okay. So if wasm is undefined, we can return. Okay. What? You know what? What if I do that? I don't really know how to type this. Find, yeah. Actually, I can see that. Equal and find. There we go. Happy now. And so now that exports does not exist on type never. I'm going to kill this dumb shit. Like right now. And I could do that in here, but that is not the point. That is not the freaking point. It is not of tighten. I know this would work in regular JavaScript, but JavaScript I have to do something that I don't really know, so fuck, I guess. And I can probably like try to return it. Wait, no, not sure. Maybe if I try, if I remove that for now, and I return, and then I return that as well. But that's actually what I'm doing here. So yeah, that's just basically what's that doing. But to be sure, I guess no, this is what it's doing. Never mind, I'm done. I guess yes. I guess this returns something. No, this returns a response. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get the value that I return here. I don't know. I absolutely don't know. No, I guess I can do const res is equal to that, right? And then I do res. Wait, no, I can't do that now. What has happened if I return it wasn't here? Or is it still? Oh no, okay, so it works. Never mind. Okay, so this is wasn't actually. It should be wasn't. We can do obj.instance, obj.instance. Okay. So that I can just do. Actually, I can't even do that. Yeah, yeah. So what type is it? Void. As, oh yeah, because I'm not returning it. Right. Return instance. Instance. Now this is of type what was perfect. Okay. Nice. So there I need to say that this is async now. So that exports, and hey, I don't have any type highlighting. I mean, it doesn't know the type of export. It doesn't know what it exports. So I need to find a way to export that it contains what's here. That is a good question. How do you fucking do that? How the fuck do you do that? Yeah, that is a good question. Well, I have no fucking idea. Not at all. Like, I swear, not a single one. Not a single one. I mean, I could. Wait. So this is a WebAssembly.instance, right? So I can go there, and then I can say instance. So this is an interface. So I can redo instance actually. I can say like here I can say interface wasm, like I can gasm instance. So it has if I look in here again, it has this, right? If I'm not done. And exports is also a type with yeah, it is that, right? And export value is any of those. So I can just straight up copy this, and here I can copy this, like, yeah, here we go. What is global? By the way, its function is this, okay, yes. And what is global? Oh, WebAssembly.global, okay. Here, I mean, I'm probably supposed to WebAssembly, WebAssembly, that, but the function is, oh, what did I do? WebAssembly, yeah, why is it, or assembly myself, and assembly, here we go. I mean, I probably also can just say, like, wait, because actually game instance can be an object or something, or maybe a class that implements, yes, wasm, WebAssembly dot, an instance. And so then here I can actually say exports are equal. I probably can say public read only exports. And I should probably say overwrite. Yeah, overwrite. I know because this is an implementation, it's not overwriting anything. Export, and here I can say I can grab this here. So I can say that this cat. So it takes. I don't remember syntactically how you're supposed to type this, and I think it is string like this. I guess yes it is, and it returns a string and no implementation actually, just like this. Here we go. All right. So now if I return that instance as a GASM instance, here I should have concat. Look at that. Would you look at that? Your mom is fat. Actually, probably should put spaces here. Right, and then this value can be console, not info, because it is a variable information to do something like that. And so now, because of my nice setup that I'm it is not working. It's not working, but I don't have any error as well. This is weird. Oh, something went wrong. When running tiny go. Oh, I think this is my fault. Yeah, it is definitely my fault. My bad. Wait, no, wait, what? No. It's just good. It's just... What? Oh, what? Expected that? Oh. What the fuck? I thought this was bad. Never use. Yeah, I know, because this is not a declaration. Just like this, actually, right? Or maybe I should do that? I don't know. Yeah, I know that you expect that, but I don't want to declare it. I just want to say that there is a function with this name that exists in there. How do I do that? Wait. This is mostly like a type declaration more than anything. But this should be valid. I think that this should be valid. Can I do type? Oh, maybe can I do type of function? I don't know. I don't like this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna shamelessly ask AI. Right, so fix. I know I know that, but I never set up a KD wallet thing. Never. I never did that. I swear on God, I never did that. Never. Alright. Copy, connect to GitHub. What? Fuck it. You know what? Let me just fuck it. Yes, it's very bit. Yeah. No. Actually, this is not done. It should be this. That's it. Nope, like this. How do I say that this is just a declaration? No, I just want to declare the function, not assign a I'm getting tired. Not declare the fact that this WASM instance has this function. Okay. Well, and then can I do like interface? So does it extend then? Yeah. Okay. So here you go. Finally. Okay. Okay, finally. So it was a type thingy. Okay. Ah. Oh, wait. Let me go there. It is a function. That what is it? Because that means it exists if it deals with that. So can like this, I don't know, info, and then I do I guess just log and wasn't that exports, right? So just have a bunch of things in here, but it doesn't have it. Fuck. But it should. Oh. I'm supposed to put export here. If I go back here, there is concat. So there's even calloc, whatever that is. Okay, so I can just comment this and undefined. Fuck. Fuck, that is a problem. Because it never returns undefined. Right, I guess I can try simply to just return your mom. Right, I just suggest and return your mom. Like that. It did reload, right? So, I don't know. Can I false reload? Yeah, I should be able to. Oh wait, yeah, that's done. No, okay, I'm not. But there isn't the problem. It doesn't. Undefined. All right. Give me a second. I'm just back. Okay. So why is this undefined? Why is this undefined? So I can try to just return a number. Yes, I know it's in int, don't worry. So let's try to return an int. And let's return 69. And main dot yes, let's change this to return a number. Fuck! Oh. Fuck! Ah. Okay. So how do I get the, because the string is definitely somewhere in the memory of the WASM module, clearly, because it is calculated. So let's go back here and let's go back there. So that should so I should return an int. In fact, I should return an int. I should return this or this. No. Oh, no, actually, I can say that I return this. Yes. Okay. So this one is easy. So for now, let's just do. So let's say that. So let's remove all of those, and let's say that to return for now is equal to your mom. Right. So if I do that, okay. If I do that, I will normally get a number. And so this number, I'm supposed to do something. I'm supposed to go somewhere in the memory of WASM and use it. Sorry, I thought I heard weird noises from my neighbors. I was like, okay, so this thing, I probably should say let string is equal to. The problem is that, let's do that. So wasm dot, there's clearly an export somewhere. Clearly. So if I console log, let me do console dot maybe dot table. What? This is not a table. Yeah, okay. I thought this would make it a table, but then it doesn't. So log wasm. What if also know it is? It's really loud. I don't know why exactly. What? Wait, that. I don't understand. It shouldn't be like this. Oh yeah, my bad. I should do that. Yes, okay. So there is memory. Yeah, like memory. WebAssembly.memory. So I can specify here that there is a memory of type WebAssembly. Memory. So if I do wasm.export dot memory, what's this? Give me some answers. New WebAssembly memory. No, okay, this is not helping. No, okay, this is not what I want. No, This is I'm not sure. I mean, this is probably somewhere in there though. So let me try and output it. So I'm not really having much answers. It tells me that it is empty. So it is maybe not in here. Though I added it to the export, so I know that it is here. So there is malloc and calloc and those kind of stuff. Right, there's even realloc and resume. It doesn't really help me. Those are things added, I think, by wasn't.js. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm supposed to get it. Right. So how to get the value of a pointer? To get the value of a pointer, yes, I guess. Wasn't. Yeah. It's an array pointer. Yeah, okay. And how do you get it? Yeah. What is module dot this? Keep u8. Pointer length. What? Doesn't really make sense here. This is from Rust. Okay. Okay. Room memory access. Const wasn't buffer. Yes. Sync and execute. Const module with WebAssembly instance it wasn't buffer. So there is memory here. So I'm supposed. So there is dot buffer. And it doesn't tell me there is a dot buffer. Dot memory dot buffer. Is it true? It is an error, so I guess. Indeed, it is an array buffer. So let buffer equals, I guess this can be const. Right. Const pointer. Const buffer. So buffer is equal to this, but not exactly, right? Because this returns an array buffer. Never mind, it does return an array buffer. Never mind. So we go there. I should, by the way, add this to video.md here. Okay. So new uint8 array. Okay. Okay. So, how this is for uint8. How am I supposed to use strings? Let encoded string. This is. Oh wait, is it? Is it what I think it is? Is it like const string be equal to buffer dot get? Okay, so I guess I'm supposed to say new uint8 array made of wasn't export memory buffer, and I don't have a get. Oh, so I can do that. Point at that. Does this work? So pointer should actually be a number here, right? So number. Here we go. So buffer pointer. And so then I think I can say new textbook encoder decoder that decodes this. Argument of type number is assignable to parameter buffer source. Let's find, is there an instance in here of text decoder? Yeah, that decode buffer slice, and then I need the length of the array of the string. Sorry. How do I do that? How do I know its size and its pointer at the same time? I don't know. This is really unclear. How do I know its length? And okay, I'm getting it directly from Wazo. How do I know its length? This is damn complicated. What am I getting into? What am I getting into? I need to find a way to know its length, because I'm supposed to do like buffer.slice, right? And then I'm supposed to I guess I'm supposed to say pointer, and here length of pointer. So like pointer is len, but I don't know the length. So how do I do that? I found it is easy. Temporarily, I can say, because I'm returning human, right? I can say dot length. Yeah, I can do that, and I can do pointer plus normal, like this. Here we go. And you go away. All right. So this shit here, it just formatted it under my eyes, and that it did not do. So this is a string. I think this should be between parents, but apparently not. But it feels like it should be so. Then I should probably be able to just lock it, right? So let's see. This is not right. Wait, font and start. Yeah, okay. How do you do it? Very briefly. You do. Where do you get 20? 20 is test. Ah, okay. And length. How do you do that? How do you know that it's 31? 31 is never written else. Okay. So this is indeed what we're supposed to do. 20 plus len. Well, a pointer plus len. Like 20 is indeed the pointer, right? Right. It is. So I guess I shouldn't return the string actually. Should I? I feel like I should return something else. Like I should return the length or something. And find a way to know the pointer. This is hard. That is hard. Like as fuck. How do I fucking do that? I mean, technically this should be right. Because you concat is returning the pointer. You are not. So, guess it should work. What if I do the whole buffer? Hi, you. I'm not even seeing your mom in here. Wait, oh no, it's right here. It is right. It is in the memory. It is in the memory, though it is clearly not at a pointer. Like if I do buff dot get, I know I think I should like pointer. If I just do that, get this number, and I'm not supposed to get a number as far as I'm aware. When I can look where this is like in the ASCII. No, this should be, if this was in the ASCII table, this would be under 107. Can't find that char one this. Here we go, and if I fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you as well. Fuck you. Yeah. Content choices. But if I look for this number, nah, this isn't this. This isn't it. This isn't it at all. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I mean, this should be a U, so there's something I don't understand. Yeah. I don't want to end the stream on a not successful thing. So how would you get a string from wasm? Yeah. You can typically need a method that involves memory management. You can return a string from wasm by using a pointer to the string's location in wasm memory, encoded by your host environment. This doesn't involve the string's content back and forth between the sure. That's literally what I just did. It helped me. Yeah. So I can here it returns size of s. Uh, I don't know. Strings in WebAssembly. Thank you. Thank you, Timothy. I guess I can also put that in the references. So how do you do that? Rust again. That's okay. You can just send Rust, right? Strings are runtime allocated and freed at runtime. Okay, that. Convert the string to numbers. Indeed, but that's not what I want. Cheating and not helping me at all. How do you fucking do that? No, yes, please. God. Text encoder and decode, yes, we can. Convert to string. The pointer is a multibyte array, character array encoding with encoded with UTF-8. Array new this memory that buffer for length. Okay. Constring decoder dot decode array. I'm a bit lost. What if I do that? So same buffer here, but I do pointer, and here I do bomb dot length. Yeah. What does this look like? And my bad. My bad. str. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Actually, I can probably try and say UTF-8 because by default it should be using UTF-8. No, okay, then change it. What if I try like as an S key? Yeah, what I told you. It is this, but this is not what I want. Clearly not. So UTF-8. UTF-8. Most boring things ever. You're using UTF-8. No, using what's well, if I ask it, use ASCII. Which will clearly see that this is not right. If we go here, that's not the I we see. This is this. So we don't have the right pointer somehow. I don't understand. Like this should work, but doesn't. I don't know why. This is exactly what I'm fucking doing. Context wrong string. So you, what's interesting for me is this. And indeed, I should free it afterwards. So I can say free any void. Pointer in number, then pointer number. Here you go. And then I can probably say like wasn't that free, that exports that free pointer. Right. Okay. So using it, how you do that? Here, okay. Hitting pointer length. It should work in my case. It should fucking work. Can someone tell me why doesn't this thing work? Like, I don't understand at all. Like, it is getting something, but not what I want. And I don't know how to get what I want. Maybe I'm just blind and you're all screaming, but this is obvious. Tell me. Yeah, decode and this uint8 array, which is what I have here. Uint8 array, the pointer and the length. The length is good, right? It is the same thing. Let me do that. Okay, no, I can't. Okay, so this is 200. Okay, so this is what we want. I could even do that. No, I can't. Let me do that. No, we can't. The pointer to the pointer. Ah. I don't understand. There's something I don't. Right. When I'm desperate here, I will always try to use fucking AI. Alright. That disgusts me of trying to do that, but whatever. So, Mixswap, please help me. Okay, so yes. Go. 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 This outputs oh, copy, thank you. Exit. Murray, it's friendly not being free puppet. Fuck you there. Okay. You are not doing. Just fuck you. You are not helping. You are literally doing the same fucking thing. Go. JS. Output. Exit. Ah, I'm going to murder you. Straight to murder you, okay? You sure I have to put it on the stack? No, because and I can't just get both values, right? It's concact length. You don't make. That doesn't make sense. It is using this. Where is it defined? Where is it defined? And you're returning two values, but here you can only get one. It tells me that this is my. Yeah. It is. It's revising its own code and telling it's my fault. I'm going to hurt it. Actually, this is clever though. Okay, this is more clever. However, this won't change a thing at all. At all. I swear it won't change anything. I swear it won't. It won't. Fucking phone. It won't change anything. I'm sure 100% that it won't change. But you know what? I'm going to trust you. For once, I'm going to trust this fucking LLM. And of course, Malak doesn't exist. But Malak does, right? No, of course it doesn't. Why would it? It is using function, not that it's not even defining. And unsafe though, I think this, yeah, unsafe exists, but cmalloc and c3 doesn't exist. Cmalloc and c3 doesn't exist in Go. So okay, so I must use malloc, right? Yeah. So is this how I should do that? It's just telling me use this library. No, I don't want to use a library. Okay, simple. Store a value in the step. You know what, everyone? I'm tired. Okay, this is tiring me up. I will make my own researches after this live, and I'm going to end this live right now. This is so annoying. I hate doing that, but I just can't bear this anymore. I swear I just can't. I'm trying to do stuff. I can't do them. I'm asking AI, it can't do them. Asking internet, it cannot do it. I know it is not, it is a skill issue of mine. And I hate this. I just want to hurt me so hard. We're gonna try one last thing, just to understand how I want to die. So, strings here. Of course. Of course. So I must define to return here. Alright, to return of this firstly. So pointer to return. Fuck it. I'm not sure. No. I was about to do labels, but I don't know if this is existing in Wasm. So let's just do that. Yeah, let's do that. Actually, I could also just do that, right? And here, do that. And here, fuck you, and you go. And so if I do that, of course, I won't get the right thing at all, because it is clearly not what we want. Pending a free invalid point. Ah! Okay, no wait, this makes sense. Because this doesn't make sense to him. To it. It wants the pointer to that. Okay, so here, I think I should get new uint 8 array. Not, yeah, no, yeah, and then wasm that exports that memory dot buffer. Here we go. So here I'm just redefining because if I understand this is should okay. So okay, yeah, my bad. Left. So then I want to do buffer dot set a value or an array of value. I'm supposed to say array like number offset. What? Oh yeah, new text encoder. So let's say UTF-8 dot encode your never mind. Okay, and so let's say that. So let's just const encoder is equal to new text encoder. Text encoder. There we go. So here I can make an array, and I can say encoder dot encode your. Right, you know what? Let's just copy this. Text. Oh wait, no, it's encoder. Oh wait, encoder. Encoder that encode. No, wait, it's saying that it array like number. Oh, and this encodes uint. Oh. Okay, I think I'm getting into something I don't understand. All right, so I ask people help for this in the future. I'm ending this stream right now. Really, I'm pissed off so deeply. Like, ugh. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This was Alanyat, your only, maybe not only, your favorites, I hope, trends developer, trying to know everyone since 2002, even though I wasn't born. Bye-bye!